Oh yeah, um, I'm gonna show you in this video, sorry, about some new things about the hyperdrive, which I discovered them during testing. I'm sure Gerard Morgan put them already on his videos, but when you do it by yourself and you really understand what's happening, well, it's overwhelming in a way. So now let me present you the setup. I've got here the 500 volts at 5 amps, the power supply, and then I hooked it up. See from the back, I hooked it up to these two wires to the controller coming here. See, 1, 2, plus and minus. The maximum voltage, maximum supply voltage for this controller is 350 volts, so I set it to 347. Alright, I'm gonna spin the hyperdrive at different speeds. We're gonna see when I'm putting some torque on it. Yeah, I'm gonna press it with the hands. I'm gonna use these gloves to press it with the hands to squeeze it to see how low is going, how down is going, how much is going down the RPM of the drum, and you will see as well the consumption during this kind of torque test. Well, you're not gonna be able to hear me. I'm not gonna talk during that time because I'm gonna turn on the fan of the power of the controller, which is here, is very noisy, and also the drum and the generator head itself is gonna make a bit of noise, so you're not gonna be able to hear me. But you will see what I'm gonna do. Let me set the camera here. Alright, they've got the same program. I'm just using a different and also I'm gonna try to turn it to 1500 RPMs. You'll see the consumption for that one as well. Now let me turn on auto. Alright, you can see there. You're not gonna see my face, but this is not what you come here. Alright, yeah, this is the right one. Alright, let's start it. Yeah, I have this current here at 5. Right, at 11. Switch on the light. That's the one. That's the maximum RPM at the normal nominal working, and this is the consumption. Look what's happening when I'm putting the brake. Watch the RPM. Now I'm breaking it. See? It's quite strong. I press it the maximum. You've seen that the RPM, it doesn't go down too much. You need more volts to spin it higher than that kind. But the torque is incredible. Look at the RPM. This one, it weighs, the drum and the head as well, they weight over 60 kilograms. I don't know in pounds how much is, but it's 130, 140 pounds roughly. The torque is impressive. The torque is amazing. So you see I'm breaking it here. And you see, okay? Nice. Alright. You've seen that, now I'm gonna test it to the higher RPM. I wanna speed it higher, weakening the field. Now it's got very weak torque. At 1500 RPM the torque is very weak. But the current consumption increases as well because you don't have enough volts to supply it and the frequency is low for this speed as well. So you have done it. I can spin 1500 but the torque is weak. You see? I just barely touch it, the torque is weak, but you need more volts, definitely more volts and higher frequency. Well, you've seen it.